Just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't have to miss a single new video. Thank you, it really does help us out.
Aww.
Stay around to the end of this video for a special message from me. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. You're a #power viewer. And thank you so much for all your support and your wonderful messages and comments. Check out the playlist for tons more videos. Hey, I've been thinking, should I upload twice a day? Let me know what you think. Drop us a comment below. As always, have a wonderful day and we'll see you tomorrow.